Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change keyboard language in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and go to General Management. Go to General Management and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and click on Languages and Types and click on Manage Input Languages, and here select any other language of your choice to be added in the keyboard. Here I select Tamil. Just turn on the button against Tamil, then Telugu, then Sinhala. Only up to 4 languages you can add in the keyboard. Okay, already by default English was available, and you can add 3 more languages to the list. So maximum 4 languages can be used. If you want to use any other language, you cannot use. Just you go to disable any other you already added, and then you can select another one. Okay, only maximum 4 can be used in the keyboard. Now go to the typing interface. This is the typing interface, and English is available by default. If you want to change to the language that you have added, just click on this global symbol. Yes, Telugu is appeared now. Now another language. This is Tamil. So in this way, you can easily shift to the language that you have added and use the language for typing. See, here I typed in Tamil. So in this way, you can easily add keyboard language and change keyboard language and set any keyboard language and input decide keyboard language for our phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.